If y'all didn't know, today's a holiday. Shout out to the Zoes, my Haitians and Haitian Americans celebrating Haitian Flag Day. Y'all have one of the most unique cultures in the West Indies, and your food is no exception, so let's enjoy some Haitian spaghetti right quick. This meal is simple, delicious, and perfect any time of day. Start off by adding a Maggi cube to boiling water, then add your pasta and cook till al dente. Save a cup of the pasta water. Add olive oil to a hot pan, then fry your meat. You can use ham, hot dogs, salami, etc., but I went with kielbasa and burnt a little because I like that. Remove, then add diced onions and garlic and saute until golden and fragrant. Add a heaping spoonful of épices and tomato paste, then cook down for 2 to 3 minutes. Toss in sliced onions, bell peppers, a little scotch bonnet pepper, the kielbasa, and ketchup, then stir and let cook down. Add the pasta water, complete seasoning, a Maggi cube, a little butter, and a sprig of thyme, then stir and bring to a simmer. Mix in your spaghetti and it's ready. I've never made spaghetti like this, but let me tell y'all, Haitian folks, y'all are onto something. The flavor of the épices came right through and added this bright herbaceousness to the pasta that's so different from how I usually make it. I was unsure about the eggs, but I committed to authenticity, and I'm glad I did, because eggs and spaghetti, chef's kiss. Hope y'all had a great Flag Day. Full recipe drops on yardygalcuisine.com this week.